Yo! Is that gonna be my new intro? Quiet or loud, I'll be like, yo! Or yo! What's good, guys? So today is going to be a trip to the thrift. Something I want to let you guys know is that, so basically, I want to know. Leave it in the comments down below what you guys think. Do you guys like the fact that I do these like almost basically daily thrift vlogs? There's still trip to the thrift, but obviously there's not going to be as much thrifting footage simply because I'm uploading one every day. I don't record just anything. I always record stuff that you guys actually want to see. So obviously I'm not going to have like the most amount of footage. I don't want to just show you guys things that are like pointless. I want to show you guys like the somewhat fire and the extra fire stuff. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below. Anyways, this is going to be trip to the thrift numero I don't know. But first things first, yeah boy, got another package from Hamilton Perkins company. They're basically a like accessory company. They sent me some bags. I think there's a backpack that doubles as a duffel, a little front bag, as I posted on my Instagram picture if you haven't seen it yet. I basically wore the side bag on the front. So basically the story behind Hamilton Perkins, HPC, is that they make all their products out of recycled materials such as plastic and billboards. So it's pretty cool. They're a very earthy company. So you won't feel bad using the product because they're just repurposing what they're making. But yeah, let's just open it. It's actually pretty flat. I think there's supposed to be like 3 things in here, so I'm not sure why it's extra flat. But it's probably just like extra flat inside. Like the bags are just probably super foldable. There's supposed to be 3 items in here. I ordered... Okay, this is the back. Okay, it's got a little note. Hold up. Oh, they forgot to send the item for the boo-boo. It's all good. Okay, so they wrote a note. Hold up. Alright, so they wrote a note and it says, "Dear Aaron, thank you for supporting us. We can't wait to see your video. Something something Hamilton Perkins." Cool. So okay, this is a picture. Obviously, you see the plastic bottles right there. So that's basically showing how they make their products, and it's super cool. This is, oh dang, the inside's tight. Hold up. Alright, so this is the bag right here. It's a pretty decently sized duffel, but as I said, it doubles as a backpack. As you can see, the straps right there. The quality is actually a lot better than I expected since they use repurposed materials. Oh, you can actually hide the backpack straps right here inside, so that's cool. It doesn't have to be like hanging while you're using it as a duffel. It's in the cream little colorway. I basically chose this one because I like the fact that I can wear this with a lot of things. Let me open it up. I want to show you guys the inside because I actually think it's pretty cool. So you can pretty much see the inside right there. It's like a plastic, like imagine like a tarp, if you know what that is, when you go like camping. That's basically what it feels like. It's got a little gradient right here, and then on the inside it's got their logo. And then it's actually blue on the inside right there. So that actually looks like tarp. But yeah, overall the quality is actually very good. Like, I'm actually really excited to use this. I needed a bag where I could fit my new Zhiyun crane, my new stabilizer for my camera. So this is actually going to be a perfect item for me to rock. And then this right here is basically the side bag. This is fire. Look, it reminds me of like a bib. Like for a baby, but let me show you guys what it is. But yeah, as you can see, it says HPC right here. Once again, it's got the little hang tag, and then it's got the adjustable straps. So obviously I would loosen it up just a little bit. Let me see if I can get it exactly the same. on the first try, baby. Basically, you'd put your arms in like this, and then you'd rock it in the front, and then the more loose you have it, let me show you guys. Now, obviously, the more loose that you have it, it would hang lower and lower. So it's basically, it's like a vest. Dang, this is fire, boy. And then you could tighten it right here, so it's not hella loose. And then, you know, yeah. Let me just keep this on right here. I don't need to show the Gucci. But yeah, so this is pretty tight. Shout out to Hamilton Perkins Company. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So 2 items. Shout out to them once again. I really appreciate it. These are going to be very, very, very useful. These are going to come in handy because I just have a lot of stuff. Like when I go thrifting, I can put my camera in here. I can put my wallet and everything. And I won't have to have like heavy pockets because I hate having like too many things in my pockets. And like having my G7X, like even though it is small, it's hard to keep that camera in my pocket. And I don't like taking it in and out. And yeah, in this bag right here, fire. Actually, let me see what it looks like on body. I might as well show you guys. Okay, rocking both at the same time. Oh, I'm getting confused which is which. But yeah, you can see it right there. Fire. Fire. That double though. But yeah, so that's it. Yeah, let's just go thrift. I'm excited. It's early in the morning. That's why your boy just got a hoodie on. Just keeping it extra cozy and extra like lazy. But yeah, let's go thrift. Peace. Wow, I just found 2 bootleg hoodies. One OVO. And then look at this one. Off-white. Super fake though. But look at this vintage 80s blue tag. Oh my god, in my size, and they're cuffed at the bottom. Oh my god, dude. And they're only asking for $6, I think. Yeah, $5.99. Yo. Patagonia jacket right here. Taxing though, man. Dirty. We got some Jordan 6s right here. Super small though. Okay. We got the Adidas extra cozy slippers. I think these are called the Cloud Foam or something like that. These are super soft. Blazers right here. Okay, the Pirate Blacks. Extra bendy.
Well, they might have, yeah.
So 2016 Nike Challenge courts. You can see the logo on this side. 2015 baby courts business. Some 2007 Nikes. I actually don't know what these are called. If y'all know, comment down below. Rhymes? Okay. Blue? Yeah, boy. Just came up on a Polo Sport backpack for $8. I actually already have this backpack, but it don't hurt to double up. This one's actually in really good condition. Better than my other one, so for sure picking it up. For $12.99, home team tag, made in USA. Los Angeles Rams, crew neck, 1994. For sure picking it up. Bootleg Nike crew neck. Air and Sports. It's in the green and red though. Just looked at those Air Max 97s right there, but 2005, but they have like a print like on the side. It says like DJ Phil. So that's for sure Nike ID. Pretty sad that I gotta leave those. Denver Broncos crew neck on the Hanes activewear tag. Still CT. Nothing crazy. All I found was this Valentine's tee. Kiss Me I'm Rude. This one right here. One Day in the Life of Vancouver. This bootleg Polo Ralph Lauren. And these Nautica trunks. Yo, it's good. So I actually just got to my barber school, and it is my last day, sadly. Shout out to my school, man. I love everyone there. I'm gonna miss everybody. But yeah, I'm gonna go in. It's our Thanksgiving like potluck, and this is my last day, so it's a good time to leave. Basically, have some good food, take some pictures, get your boy a little diploma, and just say peace out to everyone. But yeah, I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna get a haircut because obviously Thanksgiving is tomorrow, so gotta get that cut, gotta look fresh. But yeah, let's go inside. I actually had never taken you guys into my school, so let's go say what's up to the homies. Let's go. Okay, boy, come me up. Little Thanksgiving cut. Don't mess up, Dan. What up, bro?
So you want the book, alright?
What up, Danny? Brr. Brr. Sam? Sam? Fabian? Eric? Eric?
Sick ass boy.
Mark? Mark? Oh shit, the head knot?
She was crying.
Huh? My bad.
That's the camera you do it with?
What do you want to say, dog?
Hey, my boy, the barber.
Alright, y'all, so I just got back home. It was a good day. Some thrifting, some school, some bomb food, some good company, and your boy got the fresh one. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Once again, the Thrift to Thrift, I don't know. And you already know slogan, so let's wrap it up to the coziest in the game. Amen to fashion. What is good? Goodbye.